Hey, Rocky here. Welcome to our adventure. And today, we are watching one of the most magical transformations. One of the most magical transformations in all of nature. Nature is truly magical, isn't it, Spank? Absolutely. A caterpillar becoming a butterfly. But trust me, it is amazing. What really happens inside is way crazier than you think. Stay with us. This is going to be incredible. First question. What is a caterpillar? A caterpillar is basically an eating machine. That is its only job. From the moment it hatches, it eats and eats and eats. A caterpillar can eat 27,000 times its own body weight in its short life. Imagine eating a whole mountain of food. Then, something amazing happens. The caterpillar stops eating. It finds a safe spot, and it builds a hard shell around itself. This is called a chrysalis. And what happens inside is the most shocking part of the whole story. Get ready. Inside the chrysalis, it's happening. The caterpillar does not simply grow wings. It completely dissolves. Yes, dissolves. The caterpillar turns into a kind of living soup. Almost its entire body breaks down into liquid. But here's the incredible part. Look closely. A few special cells survive. Amazing. They are called imaginal discs. They are tiny. These tiny cells hold the blueprint for the butterfly. And from that liquid, they slowly build a completely new creature. New eyes, new legs, new wings, a total rebuild. Even after their entire body turned to liquid, it's true. Some butterflies can still remember things they learned as caterpillars. Even after their entire body turned to liquid. It's true. Scientists tested this, and it is true. Absolutely. The memory survives the transformation. Wow. How? We still do not fully understand. It's a mystery. And when the butterfly is finally ready, it breaks out of the chrysalis, pumps fluid into its wings, and flies away as a completely different creature. From an eating machine to living soup to a beautiful butterfly. Nature is the greatest engineer of all. Science is truly incredible. If you loved this episode, smash that subscribe button so you never miss an adventure with Rocky and Spank. And tell us in the comments below if you could transform into any animal. We want to know. What would it be? Let's hear it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our science adventure. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, science is everywhere. Science is truly incredible. Bye-bye for now. See you soon.